What if I told you that in just 6 months, 180 days, you could completely transform your financial life? That the stress of overdue bills, the sinking feeling of mounting debt, and the constant worry of, what if an emergency happens, could all begin to disappear before the year is even over? The truth is, you don't need a lottery win, an inheritance, or a six-figure salary to change your financial reality. What you need is a plan, discipline, and the courage to start. The sad reality is that most people underestimate what they can achieve in a short period because they've spent years trapped in the same habits: overspending, undersaving, and ignoring the slow bleed of debt and unnecessary expenses. But here's the good news. Financial turnaround is not a lifetime project. It can begin and take root in just 6 focused, determined months. Imagine waking up half a year from today with no credit card debt, a small but growing emergency fund, and new streams of income flowing into your life. Imagine no longer fearing unexpected expenses because you finally have control. This guide will show you exactly how to get there, step by step, month by month, using proven strategies that ordinary people are using right now to take back their financial future. It's not easy, but it is absolutely possible, and it starts today. Welcome to Wealth Echelon, your go-to spot for smart investing, in-depth ETF insights, and book reviews that help you build wealth. On this channel, we explore everything from the best investment strategies to the latest trends in ETFs, and provide valuable takeaways from books that can transform your financial journey. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, our goal is to give you the knowledge you need to make informed decisions and grow your wealth. If you're ready to elevate your financial game, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell for updates on all our latest content. For many people, financial stress feels like an endless loop: bills stacking up, savings nearly empty, debts rising, and income barely covering necessities. But the truth is, no matter how bad your financial situation might seem today, you can radically change the direction of your finances in just 6 months with discipline, focus, and the right strategy. The journey won't be effortless, but the transformation can be life-changing. In this guide, you'll discover how to turn your finances around in half a year, step by step, using simple but powerful principles that anyone can apply. The wake-up call: understanding where you stand. The first step to financial turnaround is brutal honesty. Most people do not improve their money habits because they never face the cold truth of where they actually stand. You need to sit down and write down every debt you owe, every bill you pay, every subscription you've forgotten, and every dollar you earn. List your credit card balances, your personal loans, your student debt, your mortgage, all of it. Then assess your income sources, your main salary, side hustles, passive income, anything that brings money in. Seeing this full picture may feel uncomfortable, but it is essential. Just like a doctor cannot treat a patient without diagnosis, you cannot fix your finances without knowing the real problem. You'll likely discover patterns. Maybe you spend far more on food delivery or entertainment than you thought. Perhaps your subscriptions are eating up hundreds of dollars yearly without bringing much value. By mapping out your financial life, you will find areas of leakage that, when plugged, can start saving you money right away. This self-audit alone can uncover opportunities to save hundreds of dollars in the very first month. Budgeting, the game changer you can't skip. Once you have clarity, the next step is creating and strictly following a budget. This single habit can revolutionize your financial life faster than any other. A budget tells your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Without one, you are flying blind. A simple, effective starting point is the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your after-tax income to needs: housing, food, utilities, insurance; 30% to wants, entertainment, dining, travel; and 20% to savings and debt repayment. But if your financial situation is urgent, this may not be aggressive enough. To truly turn your finances around in 6 months, you may want to aim for a bare-bones budget, cutting wants to near zero, and redirecting all excess to savings or debt. Imagine this. You stop eating out, cancel your gym membership, and work out at home, pause entertainment subscriptions, and shop only for essentials. You'll be surprised how much can be saved. For many, this could mean freeing up $500 or even $1,000 per month. Over 6 months, this adds up to thousands of dollars you could use to pay off debt or build an emergency fund. Remember, once this is temporary, 6 months of sacrifice for permanent peace of mind is a trade worth making. Destroying debt, the fast track to freedom. Debt is the greatest enemy of financial health. Credit card debt, personal loans, payday loans, they bleed your wallet with interest every single day. To turn your finances around quickly, debt repayment must be a priority. There are two popular methods to tackle debt: the snowball method and the avalanche method. The snowball method involves paying off the smallest debts first, giving you quick wins and motivation. The avalanche method focuses on paying off the highest interest debts first, saving you more money in the long run. Whichever you choose, the key is intensity. Every extra dollar you can free up, from budgeting cuts, selling unused items, or side income, should go toward debt repayment. If you can eliminate or significantly reduce your high-interest debts in these 6 months, your financial burden will shrink and your cash flow will improve dramatically. Imagine living without the weight of credit card bills or payday loans. You'll sleep better, worry less, and feel in control. Boosting income, the overlooked secret weapon. Most financial advice focuses on cutting expenses, which is crucial, but equally important is increasing your income. It is difficult to save your way to wealth alone. Earning more accelerates the process massively. The good news is that in today's world, side hustles are easier than ever to start. You can drive for ride-sharing apps, do freelance writing, tutoring, graphic design, or sell items online. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Etsy provide endless opportunities. Even flipping items from thrift stores or garage sales can bring in quick cash. In your 6-month turnaround plan, aim to make at least an extra $500 to $1,000 per month through side gigs. This extra income can go straight to your financial goals: building an emergency fund, paying off debt faster, or investing for the future. You may even discover that your side hustle can become a permanent income stream or lead to a better career. Also, consider asking for a raise at your current job. If you've been performing well and contributing value, now is the time to have that conversation with your boss. A 5 to 10% raise can make a huge difference when compounded over time. Emergency fund, building your financial shield. While paying off debt and boosting income, you must also begin to build a small emergency fund, a safety net to prevent future financial disasters. Unexpected expenses, such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss, can undo months of progress if you're not prepared. Ideally, you want 3 to 6 months worth of expenses saved up, but within 6 months of financial turnaround, a $1,000 to $2,000 starter fund is realistic and extremely helpful. This cushion will keep you from falling back into debt when life throws a curveball. You can grow this fund by diverting a portion of your side hustle income, selling unnecessary items, or using any windfalls, like tax refunds or bonuses. Having even a small emergency fund changes how you feel about money. You'll sleep easier knowing you're no longer one crisis away from disaster. Once debts are reduced and your emergency fund is in place, your next priority is automating savings and investments. Automation ensures that good financial behavior happens consistently without relying on willpower or memory. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts every payday. This could include contributions to a retirement fund, a Roth IRA, or a stock index fund. Even $100 per month invested consistently can grow into thousands over time. The earlier you start, the greater the compounding effect. If your employer offers a 401k match, make sure you're contributing enough to get the full benefit. This is free money that boosts your financial turnaround. Automating your savings means you are paying yourself first. The most important financial habit of all, perhaps the most overlooked, yet critical element in this 6-month transformation is your mindset. Money troubles often come from emotional habits, impulse spending, lifestyle inflation, or trying to keep up with the Joneses. To turn your finances around for good, you must change the way you think about money. Read personal finance books, listen to podcasts, or follow financial coaches who emphasize discipline, patience, and wealth building. Adopt the belief that frugality today leads to freedom tomorrow. Train yourself to enjoy the challenge of saving, the thrill of paying off debt, and the pride of growing wealth. Remember, this 6-month plan is not punishment, it's preparation. You are building financial muscles that will serve you for a lifetime. When friends splurge or upgrade their lifestyles, remind yourself that you are buying something they are not: long-term freedom, peace, and choices. The final push: reviewing progress and adjusting course. At the end of your 6-month journey, it's essential to reflect. Review your progress. How much debt have you paid? How much have you saved? Has your income increased? What mistakes did you make? And what did you learn? Refinement is crucial. If you fell short in some areas, don't be discouraged. Adjust the plan and push forward. Maybe you can find a more profitable side hustle, negotiate better bills, or invest more aggressively. The 6-month period was just the start. The habits you've built can make your financial life permanently better. The numbers will reveal your success: less debt, more savings, higher net worth. But equally important will be the confidence and control you've gained. You'll feel empowered, capable, and future-focused. No longer a victim of money stress, but the master of your financial destiny. Turning your finances around in 6 months is entirely possible. You may not become rich in half a year, but you can become stable, secure, and free from constant money worries. With a clear plan, strict budgeting, aggressive debt repayment, boosted income, and a strong mindset, you will change not only your bank balance, but also your entire relationship with money. These 6 months of effort can unlock a lifetime of financial freedom. Imagine waking up 1 year from now with no debt, a growing investment portfolio, and a sense of peace about your financial future. That dream begins today with one decision, one budget, one extra income source, and 1 month of disciplined action. The turnaround starts now. Thank you for watching Wealth Echelon. We hope you found valuable insights that will help you on your investing journey. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep building your wealth, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more investing tips, ETF strategies, and book reviews to continue growing your financial knowledge. Thank you for watching Wealth Echelon. We hope you found valuable insights that will help you on your investing journey. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep building your wealth, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more investing tips, ETF strategies, and book reviews to continue growing your financial knowledge.